this. A flower. Maybe I should do a flower. Should I do a flowers? Like a super cute flower yesterday? Okay, let me do the flowers for you to see. Kind of 3D flowers. So let's do that one first. So I'm gonna make a little bit the lots of the condensed glue gels, and then I am going to pick this flowers right here. It's super cute, and I am going to pick some colors. Of course, I want yellow to match, and then I want pink to match. And then, of course, you have a blue. So I didn't put the top coat yet, but I'm gonna do this so I can flash key it really quick. There you go. You make sure they kind of look like a puzzle together. So this lasts so much better. And to lean on each other tight. Okay, now we're gonna flash key this one for 30 seconds or even 10 seconds to hold it down first. And then we're gonna play with the crystal placements. All right. So cute. I almost put the bear on. I'm thinking that bear. Is that cute? I wear it on my thumb. Second nails. Which one? 5? I'm sorry, I missed it. Alright, hello everyone. For those who's just tuning in, welcome to our live tutorial brought to you by Glitz Subscription such nightly every night. So today we're doing it like gel painting in the bottle. It's just freaking stunning and super easy. And you see me doing French in like such a no time at all. And you can do it thin, you can do it thick, you can do however, you can do V-shape, you can do skinny V-shape. You can do however you would like, your clients would like. And I just move right into crystal placement. I using condensed glue gel. It's really thick density. I'm just open it and get up. And just need a little bit, and then to get that going on and hold tight to my cute flowers. And I'm gonna using condensed glue gel again. And really thin layer, because we're gonna do it right on the top of this. And this time we're not doing 3D gel, 3D flower, 3D crystal, I'm sorry. We can do a flat back. So I am going to apply all, because sometimes I just, some of the spot that I know what I wanna do, but then I end up doing like so much more on the nails. Instead of, so I'm just applying on and tie the nails. Just thin coat, you don't need a whole lot. Just that jars go a long way. If you are finishing in 1 month, I mean that congratulations, you did a lot of your crystal placement. That fabulous. So I am going to use next no wipe top coat. This will be a second step of trifecta. I will hold down this with unclear condensed glue gel. I'm floating on the top. I don't drag it because then it pull off my condensed glue gels. I want condensed glue gel to stay the same place, but just using a top coat to floating on the top. So then it will hold down the crystal really nicely. That's good. It's smooth. And now we're going to just need to place a crystal. You know, this one will be really good with, I have the glow in the dark one, the mixed one, right there. Thank you. To matching with the cute flowers. And then I want something on the flowers as well. I have a glow in the dark. Okay, I'm gonna pick the smallest size of the crystal. Usually me seeing me doing a big one, but this time I use a smaller one. Especially this is a mixed one. I really want the pink one though. The green one. Okay, we're doing the S shape. It's really fun though. It's the first time for me doing a short nails. I think from the trims for a long time. You know what you can do with this one? Beside this, you can absolutely add like the opal. The opal crystal is also really cute as well. And it's matching with hello. I need to get some more of the smaller one. This flower is so adorable. There's so many of them in here, that's why I was like, I'm picking a smaller ones. So then, oh, right there. You can now, if you like it, you can absolutely choose to do beads on it. If you don't, it looks great as well. It already looks really good. You can do is gold beads. And the best way, if you're first time doing a crystal placement, or you start like playing with a lot of crystal placement and you're not sure where is the best part to place your crystal, you just get the big centerpiece either on the top, on the middle of the nails, or on the diagonals or corner of the nails. Make sure you start with the bigger centerpiece, and then you using all the different crystals, smaller size or frame and charms, and place them along with your big centerpiece. And trust me, you will never go wrong with this. It's only gonna turn out great, good and better. It's not gonna be anything like, or you can't never make a mistake with this. Like, you just place them tight together, and it's up to you and your clients to decide that you want to get beads on. Sometimes I really like the beads on. Some of my clients don't care much for beads, or they just want a different price range. Like, instead of this design with no beads on, for instance, it can be like $10, $12, $15. We have a beads on, it's gonna be extra $5 more because you actually place them as the jewelry instead of just the crystal placement. So I try not to cut into the French look because I like the look of the French on that one. So I'm gonna leave it alone and just place that along with. And let's see, should I do that one? tempting to get this one right here. But then it looks good like that. You think? Yeah? Looks good. Okay, let's kill this one for 60 seconds. It's so adorable, huh?